Yes, engineering. It starts with J, not Y. So, another engineering company which I feel is a promising prospect and it can give us good returns. But we also need to remind us that the market is currently in downtrend and Nifty has fallen by 11% already. So, will this be a good time to make an entry in the stock? And first of all, should we invest in this stock at all? We have to consider its fundamentals, what it is doing, and then we'll go to the price action and see if this is a good time to buy this stock or not. Everything I'm going to do in this video for you. Just please remember that you have to watch this video till the end to get the overall overview of the stock. And also remember that this is not a stock recommendation video, this is just an educational and informational video, right? So with that said, let's get started. Hello everyone and welcome back to another video of Financial Impulse. So this is Jash Engineering and this is the official website. So like always, I will share this link in the description section. Please go through it and you will get to know all about its business. Okay, we are currently going to dive in deeper into the fundamental numbers of this stock. Okay, so if we take a look at the about section, we can see Jash Engineering is limited is manufacturing wide range of equipment for water intake system, water and wastewater pumping station and all these things. So we know that wastewater treatment is definitely a futuristic business, and I have made multiple videos on stocks which are doing this doing this business, right? So definitely it is promising according to me, because in future we are definitely going to have to use recycled water. We will run out of fresh water which we can directly consume just by using a normal filtration system, right? So definitely this is a stock which I would genuinely suggest that we should be looking forward to as an investment. Okay, now let us take a look at some of the important things which I feel important, but you have to take a deeper look into all these things. Okay, just to keep the video short, I am doing some random analysis in this section. Okay, so the company's customer base is spread across 45 countries, so this is very promising, including USA, UK, France, Germany, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Bahrain, UAE, Hong Kong, Singapore, Thailand, etc. Okay, so very wide range of customer base, 45 companies as it has mentioned. So definitely a spread out business, right? Now let us also take a look at the basic numbers. Okay, so the current market price of this stock is 578 with a market cap of 3600. Okay, debt to equity ratio is very good at 0.29, current ratio at 1.67, 3-year sales growth average 19.86. okay, and then the just a second, all right, sorry about the interruption. Okay, yeah, so the 3 years average sales growth is 19.86%. okay, and I would strongly suggest that we do not compare this with other stock in this industry, because we know the stocks listed here are into different business. Although it is listed in engineering, it is not exactly in the same business, so this can be misleading. You need to be very careful. Do not directly compare. This is 39.86, this is this is 19.86, this is 39.5, this is much more, it's a better company. Don't do that, we'll get misleading data. Okay, so don't do that. Then 3 years average profit growth 29.87, very good number. Capital on return on capital employed 21.68, very good number. Operating profit margin 18. So this one we have to check if it has been historical like this or it has been fluctuating. That will decide how good it is. Okay, Altman Z Core 10.91, it's a very good number. Promoter holding 43.61, it's a good number. Okay, now coming to annual sales growth and profit growth. Okay, we'll consider the data from 2022. So we can see, okay, even if we consider from 2021, still we are getting good growth in sales, but let us consider these numbers, that should be sufficient. Okay, so we can see a jump from 368 crores to 402, then 516, 610, clear jump in sales. Okay, operating profit 47 to 64, then 99, then 113, clear jump in operating profit. Operating profit margin 13, 16, 19, 18, so it has been, we can say the average will come out around 17 at least, so that's a good number, I would say. Now when we come to earning per share, there also we are getting some good numbers, 5.39 to 8.59, 10.79, 12.69. Very good numbers. Okay, so sales, operating profit, and earning per share growth has been very good. Okay, now shareholding pattern. Here we are getting to see kind of mixed mixed data here. Okay, you see, if you consider last 3 quarters, there has been some drop in promoter holding, 49.44 to 43.65, so around 5%, more than 5% drop. Okay, for 5 to 6%. Now coming to FIs, they have been fluctuating. Okay, that this number has been fluctuating from 1.68, it went up to 1.67, then little bit of drop to 1.58, but overall I would say it's good. But DI holding has decreased from 3.59 to 3.53, then 0.59, so a 3% sudden drop in the last quarter. But that does not mean it is giving a dark picture about shareholding pattern, and the smart money and promoters think that this company is not good for the future. No, that is just for the quarter. We do not know, maybe in coming quarters the promoters might increase the stake, the FIDI they also might increase the stake, anything can happen. But the main thing we should remember that it is a low debt company. Okay, and the growth has been very strong, that's why it is definitely promising. Now let's try to time the entry. Okay, so this is Jash Engineering and I am in weekly time frame, and in this video I am going to strictly focus on weekly because we are considering this for mainly positional trade and investment. Okay, so we can see a sharp move from this point. Okay, big green candle, small candles many, then one more big green candles, then again small candles, a lot of them, then one more big green candle, small candles red, but this time it did not go very far. From here it turned, and this week it has given very good a big green candle. Now let's take a look at the volume. Okay, so we can see in this week the volume has been very high, very high. See this big volume bar. Okay, and I can clearly draw one trend line or support resistance level. Let me draw one level here. Okay, yes, so we can see this resistance level has been strongly broken by this big green candle. Now let us take a look at the momentum. So when I come to the momentum, I can clearly see very strong momentum in this stock. You see here there is a crossover in MACD. Okay, and the stock the MACD has been above 0 for quite some time now, and after the crossover it is starting to give big green candle and starting to go up. Now coming to RSI, we are getting to see the same thing. It has maintained the RSI level above 50 and above the moving average, and now it is starting to go into the above 60 territory. So clear sign of strong momentum by this stock. Okay, and if I go to the daily time frame, I am getting to see the same thing, and let me enable the 50 days EMA, and there we go. The 50-day EMA is providing support, and it gave support during this breakout, which is what we should always look for. So according to me, this setup is giving us hint about a perfect entry. Okay, in my opinion, but again reminding, this is not a stock recommendation video. It is up to you if you want to invest in this stock or not, but I would say this is a promising business as per me, and the price action is looking very strong. Entry timing is also a very good one as per my analysis. Okay, so let's say you are making an entry at this price around 580. Okay, so how long should you hold it? I would say you hold it as long as the 50 days EMA is giving support to the stock. The stock is staying above it. Okay, as long as it is above it, you are fine. You should stay with it so that you can grab the big gains and not quit with just 15 to 20% gain. When the stock will fall below this and the 50 EMA starts turning downwards, then you can consider exiting this stock. It is up to you if you want to do complete exit or partial exit. During that time, it is completely up to you. Okay, the key point you need to focus is that this 580 level, the level in which it is trading right now, is a good level as per me. Okay, so that is all about Jash Engineering. I hope this video was informative and helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe to Financial Impulse if you have not done already, and if you are already a subscriber, consider joining the Financial Impulse community, where you will get more stock analysis posts and a lot more information. Thank you for watching. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye, take care.